My name is Meral Karmazin from Priorities Pre-Sales team. In this demo, we will go over the demand and order management process. The demand and order management process include the full cycle of identifying the customer's need, the demand, receiving the order from multiple channels, processing the order with all attributes, and then delivering the order using multiple delivery channels. We'll start by looking at multi-channel driven order recording. A customer may place an order from various channels, online channels such as e-commerce, mobile apps, call centers, portals, or B2B sites, and brick and mortar channels like POS, mobile POS, and kiosks. An order can also be automatically generated in Priority based on price quotes or sales opportunities as part of the CRM process. As part of Priority's product strategy, we have the capability of delivering a headless commerce solution, meaning we can provide the business logic and data without the GUI. Our solution is an omni-channel solution, meaning regardless of the channel the customer chooses to use, the business logic is the same. This product architecture helps our customers be more efficient by saving the need of developing the same business logic separately for each channel. As part of the omni-channel solution, our sophisticated, dynamic, and broad pricing mechanism is also an omni-channel one. Regardless of the channel, the customer will receive the same prices and benefits defined in the system. Once the order has been received from one of the various channels, it is automatically recorded to the transaction form in the ERP, and from there automatically generated as sales orders. To fulfill the orders, the Priority WMS helps with optimizing the pick and pack processes. The next step is billing and shipping using multiple delivery options. Let's see how that looks in the system. We can see here a few transactions received from different channels. Some are for B2B and other are B2C. A physical POS in the store, a self-service kiosk, an online web shop, a call center, and a CRM system. The lines on these forms are automatically received from different channels. Each one has all the info needed in order to process the order, the items, the quantities, the prices and discounts, the shipping information, and the billing info, and more. The sales order is automatically generated from the previous transaction form, and of course can also be manually recorded in this form or generated from a price quote or a sales opportunity. Some organizations have long-term contracts with their customers to which the sales order can be linked in order to assure that sales terms abide to the contract, such as prices and quantities. The contract with the customer defines the prices applied to the order. The item's price is automatically populated according to the many sophisticated price schemes and campaigns supported by Priority, including prices per quantity, discount per item or per item group, buy X, get Y, bonuses, pricing from vendor contracts, and more. Priority also has a built-in CLM, Customer Loyalty Management, which allows us to link customers to a certain loyalty program from which pricing campaigns are created. I can also see all the optional prices for the item. Next to the unit price, we can see the cost. The item's cost is automatically calculated by the system to reflect the actual cost so that we have the actual profit per order or per line. Configurable business logic can be applied to prevent approval of orders with profit percentages under a predefined threshold. When recording an order, I can check the parts availability. The system displays the demand for the item from the different sources. If I have the available stock, I can allocate it for the order in order to reserve it. And in case I do not have enough stock to fulfill this order, I can open a purchase order directly from the sales order. As a manufacturer, I can use the different ATP tools in order to check if I'm able to supply the customer's demand on a requested delivery date or not. As in all of the priority forms, I can see the full info I need from the sales order. I can see the purchase history for this customer, open quotations and opportunities, their credit limit, and more. I can also view and access the preceding steps of the process, such as invoices or receipts, shipping documents, and more directly from the order. This gives me a full view and traceability of the complete lead-to-cash process for any specific order. Approving the order is done using the configurable statuses, and different business rules may be applied, for example, to prevent approving orders that exceed the customer's credit limit, and more. Of course, managers with the appropriate privileges can override these limitations. Managers may use info received from analyst firms through automatic connectors, like the one with Dun & Bradstreet, in order to have up-to-date and accurate financial data regarding the customer, which may help in deciding whether or not to approve business with that customer. Once the order is confirmed, the customer receives an automatic email with the order confirmation for approval. The end customer can easily approve the order from their email or on the mobile. The confirmation is automatically recorded in priority as an attachment. Using this tool, called Click to Sign, both my organization and the customer benefit from a modern, automated, and efficient process, saving a lot of valuable time. The next step of a sales order can be assigning it to the warehouse for picking and packing. For a higher level of efficiency, the picking can be done by line items, and the packing can then be done by orders. Alternatively, the next step can be assigning the order to the shop floor for production or assembly, or assigning it to the finance department for prepayment invoicing. At any moment, managers can take a bird's eye view on different aspects of the process to gain better insight of the business. The fulfillment process starts with warehouse tasks assigned to the warehouse employees for picking and packing the goods. These tasks are automatically generated by the WMS tool in the system, taking into account optimization strategies for more efficient routes in the warehouse. A shipping document or invoice is printed using the preferred printout format, and the packages are assigned to the relevant driver according to the most efficient route. A sophisticated algorithm for replenishment makes sure that the warehouse is ready for the picking of the next day's orders, so that the picking process will be as fast and efficient as possible. Priority provides a mobile solution. In this example, the driver who delivers the goods to the customer sites can use the POD mechanism to get the customer's signature on the mobile device. From the customer shipment, the driver can present to the customer the shipping document and then ask the customer to sign the document for approval. This approved document is automatically saved as an attachment to the delivery note, and that saves a lot of time and hassle in the future, shortening the collection process and eliminating disputes with the customers. The process then continues to the billing phase and later on revenue recognition. To summarize, we saw how Priority streamlines the whole omnichannel process, automating otherwise manual tasks, and helping the company make the best and most efficient business decisions. Thank you.